Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we have this Mini Cooper in the shop. As you guys can see, the surface, the wheels, the glass is completely trashed. There's sand on it, there's dust, there's grime, debris, everything you might think of, this car has it. So today in this video, I'll be going over all of our new products to bring back the shine on this ride, from applying dressings onto trim, from washing the car, even cleaning the car, and even protecting it. Let's get started. Alright guys, to start with this detail on this Mini Cooper, we started out by cleaning up the wheels. We went ahead and took care of it using Signature Series wheel cleaner, but now we're going to get into the body and the exterior of this wash. So I already have my Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon with sticky Snowball, and I will also be bringing out our complete clay system. So our complete clay system comes with everything you need to go ahead and clean, shine, decontaminate your paint, and even protect it. So in this box right here, you get a clean slate, you get butter wet wax, a clay system, and you get clay lubricant and a towel and an applicator. In this occasion, I went ahead and took out clean slate out the box because I'm actually going to be using it in the wash whenever I am washing this car. So the reason why I took out clean slate is because I want to remove any protection that this car might have. Because keep this in mind, anything that the paint might have, for example, if it has a glaze, a sealant, a wax, I personally do not know when it was the last time it was probably taken care of. So in this occasion, I just want to get a fresh start. So that's why I'll be using clean slate to remove any previous glazes, sealants, or waxes. You guys might ask me, can you go ahead and mix it with the soap? And the answer is yes. As you guys can see, the surface of this paint has a lot of dirt, grime, and debris, and sand. So this is why I'll be pairing it with Sticky Snowball. Sticky Snowball is an ultra mega foam that's going to cling hard onto the surface. So whenever I glide my Chanel washment across it, it's going to go ahead and remove any dirt, grime, and debris without causing scratches and swirls. So I will add 1 ounce, now let's give it 2 ounces. 2 ounces of soap inside my Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon, and then I'll be pairing it with clean slate. So I'll just get 1 ounce of clean slate in my Big Mouth, and by me mixing these soaps together, it's going to allow clean slate to cling hard onto the surface, so I can make sure I get every single glaze, sealant, and wax off the surface, so whenever I come back to protect it, it's going to be fully protected, and I know when exactly I protected it. Once you're done applying your soap inside your Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon or any type of foam cannon, we always recommend stirring it and not shaking it. If I go ahead and shake it, I'll cause foam inside here. We want more foam on the surface, less foam in here. Now we're gonna set up our 2-bucket method. If you're not familiar with 2-bucket method, a 2-bucket method is going to reduce chance of scratching and swirls on the surface of the vehicle. The reason behind we always want to use a 2-bucket method is because, as you guys can see, there's a lot of dirt, grime, and debris sitting on this Mini Cooper, and if I go ahead and just use one traditional bucket, I will be cross-contaminating as I wash. So in this occasion, I'll get my dirt traps, I'll insert them at an angle to cause a seal at the bottom, and then I will go ahead and designate which is going to be my wash bucket and which is going to be my rinse bucket. In this occasion, red dirt trap is going to be my wash bucket, so I'll just add a little bit of soap for extra cleaning power from both soaps. So now I'll start off by rinsing on the vehicle. Once I finish rinsing on the vehicle, I'll use the Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon with Sticky Snowball and clean slate, soap it all up, activate the suds, then scrub it down. Let's get started. All right guys, so as you guys can see, I already started off by wiping down the surface of the vehicle, and I'm going in linear motions. You guys can see all of that dirt and grime and debris. The premium suds that Sticky Snowball produces, they're very sticky and they're very lubricated. So every time I wipe, I'm being ensured I have enough lubrication to avoid scratches and swirls. So after 2 wipes, I go back to my rinse bucket. The reason I want to go back to my rinse bucket constantly is because this car has sand on it. So just imagine sand is like sandpaper. If you scrub it in improperly, it causes scratches and swirls. So that's why we're trying to do our best to prevent any scratches and swirls with a simple wash. So whenever you're washing a vehicle that is super dirty, lightly dirty or has any type of filth or grime, just go in linear motions. You prevent scratching and swirls. You look professional and the results are amazing. So let me just finish scrubbing out the rest of this vehicle and then I'll meet you guys inside the detail garage because we still need to protect it. All right guys, so now we're gonna be moving on to in-depth detail and what each product does on this exterior of this ride. So as soon as I finished washing it and drying the ride, I actually moved it right inside the detail garage and I got started with HydroSpin. So HydroSpin is a ceramic infused quick detailer and wheel cleaner. This quick detailer and ceramic coating is going to enhance the shine, reflection, and properties and protection on your wheels. So you have a lot of trouble cleaning your wheels and you get a lot of craked down brake dust. By using HydroSpin on OEM, aluminum, or chrome wheels, it's going to enhance the shine, and nonetheless, it's going to make wheel cleaning a lot easier. So whenever you apply HydroSpin, I would recommend using a microfiber applicator. You rub it onto the surface of the wheel, then you let it sit from anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes, and then immediately remove it using a microfiber towel. Keep this in mind. HydroSpin is a ceramic infused quick detailer that's going to harden on the surface and it's going to add an intense water beading. And once I finished enhancing the shine on the wheels, I moved on to the tires. The tires were looking a little bit dull, and this is when I picked up Galactic Black Wet Look Tire Shine to enhance the shine even more. As you guys can see, this even spread that I applied onto this tire enhanced the shine immediately. A couple sprays onto the applicator, rub it right on, and you guys can see the before and after. You guys might ask me, can I spray it directly onto the tire? And the answer is yes, but unfortunately the Mini Cooper has sidewalls that were super tiny, so that's why I use a foam applicator just to rub it on. But if you have nubby tires, big sidewalls, feel free to spray it on directly onto the surface, let it sit, and the oil-based formula is going to be dry to touch. But after I finish applying tire shine to my tires, I wanted to enhance the trims. I mean, the trims are going to do it all. It's going to enhance the look of the ride, it's going to finish up the cherry on top on this detail, and nonetheless, it's going to make it 10 times better. And like I told you guys, it's complete dry to touch. So guys, if you guys like this video today, don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up. If you would like to see any more of these products in use or any other video, make sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what video you want to see. So if you guys want to pick up any of these products today, hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, to pick up any accessories, any towels, any products. You can find them on our website right now, chemicalguys.com, or if you want to stop by your local detail garage, I recommend you do so. It's a detailer's paradise. We have over 85 detail garage locations in the US, Canada, and UK. As always, guys, thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.